Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. This is me, your friend and host, Muhammad Hasnain. Today, as you all know, I'm once again with all of you people, and today the topic that we are going to be doing is once again some of the most important Google apps, and I'm going to be showing you how these Google apps work actually. So let's start up and let's start doing it. So last time, as you know, I did account and Gmail. They both are quite the same thing. They both are connected. You know that very well. Search, YouTube and Play were done. Gmail and account, as you know. Today, contact and drive will be done by us. So yes, let's dive into our contacts. Contact is just like the phone normal contacts, as you all know, like we have in our phone contacts, and the special thing about this is that you don't have actually your own I could say you don't actually have your own SIM in your mobile, but you can still call people. Isn't it amazing? I can make a call from one of my phone or pick an app. I can pick an app. So if I go and pick an app, so from that app I can call. If you have some app from which you can call to people, so that would be handy to you. So if I even click on call, so it will send a call by every. You have the choice to save one phone ever in your life. Any phone that is connected to your device ever in your life will be saved there, and as you click on it, it will come in front of you. So let's go ahead and go on Google Drive. So Google Drive is one of the most important things. You guys all know that it is one of the most important things, and we all love it. We all need it, and we all have it, and it's quite great having it. So if I show like I have so many things, so like I can place any kind of so if you watch, so what is Google Drive? I'll make you understand that real quick. Google Drive is an online storage place where you can have 15 GB for free. As you guys can watch, you can have 15 GB free. You can buy more storage if you want, and you're a pro. This is a place that even if you lose your phone, even if you lose your computer, if you lose anything, you'll always have your data secured as much as you know your drive is, what is the password of it. So 15 GB is the current plan. Now what does a reminded basic? This is let's go to annual, but this is like first for monthly. In basic you have 100 GB is equal to 0.1 terabyte. So this is PKR 209 rupees monthly. Billed monthly, you can get started. Google One, it's also called Google, we can also call it Google Drive, but it's Google One actually, because Google One and Google Drive was specifically made for computer, but Google One can be also in computer and also in mobile. So it includes 100 GBs, and you can access to Google Experts, share up to 5 other people, you can share it, extra member benefits. Now there is standard, which has 200 GB is equal to 0.2 terabyte, which is 339 PKR per month. It depends up to your country. So it will be monthly billed, and you have to just press on get started. So this includes pretty much the same thing. Like here is 100 GB of storage, here is 200 GB of storage. You can access to experts of Google. You can also access. You can share up to 5 other people. You can also share it. An extra benefit of memberships and extra benefit. Now premium is for big pros who are very big pros. It includes quite the same thing, but the premium thing about this is you have 2 terabytes. 2 terabytes is equal to 2000. You might not know what is a terabyte. It's equal to 2000 GB. Yeah, 2000 GB. That's a lot of space, and only takes 1409 monthly payment. Billed monthly. You can press on get started. It has everything the same. Only the difference is that you will get 2 TB is equal to 2. So you can get this much storage, and if you wanna not get like monthly, you wanna get annual, so you can have yearly on 2099 rupees. That is yearly, and you can save up to 16% in that. It has every single thing. Standard, you can save up to 16,000 per year, and that's 3,399, and it includes all of these things. And somehow you can even save 17,000 in here. Right now PKR 10,499. Somehow you can also call it 10,500 yearly, and it has everything in it. So you can somehow calculate, and if it benefits you monthly or yearly or annually, you can just do it. So this was all for today. Thank you so much, people, for sharing and being with me, and I'll see you next time. Thank you so much, and Allah Hafiz.